This is the demonstration of the automatic medical dispensary machine. The line graph depicts the various pharmaceutical errors which exist currently in the industry. Next is the physical setup of the prototype, which involves a computer connected with Raspberry Pi camera, servo motors, and a dispenser model. This is a QR code of the prescription with the customer. The Pi camera then takes a picture of the QR code, which is decoded and displayed in the computer along with the bill amount. The customer can pay the amount using BIM app by just scanning the QR code of the shop, fill in his details, and the money is sent. We use BIM to promote digital transaction in the country. Once the customer completes the payment successfully, a signal is sent from the Raspberry Pi to servo motor, and it then rotates and dispenses the medicine to the customer. So that's the working of medical dispensary machine.